action returns to the hard court as the PBA Commissioner's Cup kicks off. Sino kaya ang mga nanalo sa unang araw? News 5 correspondent Ian Suyu with a story.
Exciting basketball action ang muling napanood ng fans sa pagbubukas ng PBA Commissioner's Cup sa PhilSports Arena kagabi. Unang nagtapat ang Terra Firma Jeep at Converge Fiber Xers. Yun nga lang, hindi muna nakalaro ang mga bagong trade na sina Terence Romeo at Vic Manuel para sa Jeep. Samantalang ang Converge, maagang nakalamang sa tulong ng bagong rookie na si Jordan Heading. Final score, 116-87 para sa Converge. Nanguna para sa Fiber Xers ang import at ex-NBA cager na si Chick Dalio with 25 points and 16 rebounds. Habang double-double naman ang performance ni Justin Arana na nagtala ng 16 points at 12 rebounds.
It's just a good overall game for us. Good first game. I think we dictated the pace pretty well, and the guys are in sync, at least for this first game.
Sa second game naman, agad nagpakita ng bangis ang guest team na Hong Kong Eastern kontra Phoenix Fuel Masters. Sa second half ng laro, rumatsyada ang koponan para makabuo ng halos 20 puntos na kalamangan pagdating ng final quarter. Final score, 102-87 para sa Hong Kong. Kahit bagong team, familiar faces pa rin ang namuno sa opensa ng Eastern, kabilang si dating import Cameron Clark na may 25 points at 11 rebounds. Pamatay rin ang opensa ni Hayden Blankley na nag-ambag ng 18 points at 8 rebounds.
It was an unreal sort of experience now, being able to get like a second chance with some of my teammates from the Bay Area team that I was really close with. Within this game, it took the guys it took us like a half to adjust, I feel like. You know, like everyone talks about the PBA physicality.
Tuloy-tuloy ang PBA action mamaya sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium sa Maynila. Unang magsasalpukan ang Northport Batang-Pierre at NLEX Road Warriors mamayang alas 5 ng hapon at susundan yan ng tapatang Blackwater kontra Magnolia.